guys, sorry if you hear loud noise. This is just my Mustang. I named it Ready. And here's the rims. And I'm getting in it. I know it looks horrible right now, but here's the inside. You can tell it's a Mustang. Now I'm gonna walk around it. If you want to know what that says, I'll post it in the comments later. Okay. Sorry if I found something, but I don't know if it's real. My dad done this. Okay. Then there's my papa, my dad. Now I'm gonna go to my other car over here that's brand new. It's my mama's. So I named it Old Greenie. Now I'm getting in it. There's the inside. And here's the rims. Now I'm gonna walk around it. Then I'm gonna do my white truck that I have. This can't be too long, but okay. I'll go ahead and get on to this car. Okay, this is mine, Dad's, and so there's the ramps, and here's the inside. Then I'm gonna give you a tour around it. Okay. It's hard because we just got new gravel. And I'm gonna stop right here. I'm going to go to my white truck. Okay. Here's this, but I'm not gonna show you everything. I'm just gonna show you like what I want of it, because we had this truck forever. It says this stuff, I don't know. Now I'm going to go to my uncle's Jeep. I'm not allowed in it though. So, no, wait. I'll do that. This. Okay, Papa. I'm doing the video right now, so stop. And getting up in it. By the way, it's this. So what we have to do with it. Yeah. So I'm getting up in it. And there's the back gears. There's the hook. Whatever you call this thing. And sorry, should start right up. But guess what? Dad, come and start this up for me. This. Ooka. Ooka. Papa, start this up. Hold on. So here, and I'm jumping off, and I'm not gonna give you a full tour. Now I'm gonna show you my dad. I'm gonna make him start. Come over here and start it, Dad, so I can show him how it runs. Here. Okay. I'm gonna pause the video so like.
Well, it started. You didn't turn it off. You didn't let him do it.
Okay. Now I'm going to show you a Peppo's towboat. Peppo, come and start this sled up. I'm gonna jump in here.
We'll be getting in a dead chair, babe.
Then start that up.
Water running, man.
Okay.